getting to know you. Two ESL students ask each other questions to get to know each other better. Question 1. What is your name? Peter. Hi. What is your name? Kasia. My name is Kasia. What is your name? Peter. My name is Peter. Pleased to meet you. Kasia. Nice to meet you. Question 2. Where are you from? Peter. Where are you from? Kasia. I am from Poland. Where are you from? Peter. I am from Germany. Question 3. What is your nationality? Peter. What is your nationality? Kasia. I am Polish. What is your nationality? Peter. I am German. Question 4. How long have you lived here? Peter. How long have you lived here? Kasia. I have lived here for 1 year. How long have you lived here? Peter. I have lived here for 6 months. Question 5. What language or languages do you speak? Peter. What language or languages do you speak? Kasia. I speak Polish and some English. What languages do you speak? Peter. I speak German and some English. Question 6. Please tell me about your family. Peter. Please tell me about your family. Kasia. I live with my husband and 2 daughters. Tell me about your family. Peter. I live with my wife and 2 sons and 2 daughters. Question 7. Anything else you would like to tell us about yourself? Peter. Anything else you would like to tell us about yourself? Kasia. In my free time, I like to cook and watch movies. How about you? Peter. In my free time, I like to go for walks and listen to music. Nice getting to know you, Kasia. Nice getting to know you, Peter.